Hi, welcome to Taste the Manna. I'm Shalini. Today I would like to share a mutton biryani recipe with you. So let's get started. Take a mixie jar. I'm adding a handful of mint leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. Two pieces of ginger that weighs approximately about 50 grams and 100 grams of garlic. About 10 green chillies and 4 tomatoes. So grind them into a paste. Heat a pan, add some oil and ghee, and then a piece of mace, 6 green cardamoms, a piece of cinnamon, 6 cloves, a kapok bud, and a star anise. Let these dry masala get roasted well in the oil. It is almost done. Now I'm adding onions. I've already chopped 3 onions into slices. So I'm adding the onion slices here. Let the onions get cooked well in the oil. And I'm adding few coriander leaves into it. Next I'm adding the ground paste. Do not add the entire paste into it. I'm just talking few amount of paste to cook mutton. So I'm adding the remaining coriander leaves here. So let the masala get cooked well. Cook it until the water gets evaporated and the oil gets split from the masala. Cook it in a sin. Heat another pan. Add oil. I'm adding a sliced onion. Let the onions get cooked well. So this is done to cook the mutton. So to this onion I'm adding the remaining ground paste that I've already mentioned you earlier. So once masala has been cooked, I'm adding the mutton pieces into it. I've added half kg of mutton into it. Salt to taste. A spoon of red chilli powder. A spoon of coriander powder. And half a spoon of pepper. Mix them gently and thoroughly so that the masala would get coated over the mutton. Now close the lid of the cooker and leave it for 10 whistles. Now let us resume back to the biryani pot. So here I'm adding a 1.5 spoon of red chilli powder, and 2 spoons of coriander powder, half spoon of pepper powder, and mix them gently till the raw smell from it gets exfoliated. 2 spoons of garam masala powder, mix it. And now I'm adding about 1.5 cups of soaked basmati rice. I've been soaking this rice for about 20 minutes. Now gently mix the masala and the rice. So that the masala gets coated on the rice. Now I'm adding 2.5 cups of water and salt to taste. So I've been using the hot water. Now I'm adding few coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes. So before adding them, I'm just squeezing the tomatoes and I'm adding into it. So just mix it and let the water get evaporated. Once the water gets evaporated, put the stove on sim and then place a lid on it and a vessel containing water in it. In this stage, we are going to add the mutton that we have cooked in the cooker. Mix it gently and thoroughly. Be careful when you mix the rice because the rice should not get broken. Mix it gently so that the rice will not get broken. Cover it again with the lid and place the vessel containing cold water in it. This helps the water vapor to condense and helps the rice to get cooked well. Now our biryani is ready. Subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for new videos, and thanks for watching.